Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we have a blizzard coming, so I'm going to come out here every so often and check out how the weather's doing. Right now it's -5 degrees outside. We have a light snow falling. East winds about 6 miles per hour, they said, so it makes it feel like it's -18. I know you can't tell the cold on the camera, but it's cold out here. It doesn't look that bad right now. Like I said, they said a blizzard's supposed to be coming. You can see some bunny tracks down here. Hope that bunny's found a good place to hide. Here's where I snow blowed before. Going to the back of the house. So there's what it looks like right now. It's about 9 a.m. in the morning. About 5 degrees, -5 degrees outside. Feels like -18. We'll keep checking to see how the weather looks. So here we go, another hour has passed. It's not much difference. Still -5 degrees, feels like -18. Wind still blowing out of the east about 6 miles an hour, it says. Look at all the bunny tracks back here. It's snowing a little bit better now. It's starting to come down. Really is pretty. Guys, I don't know if you can see all the snow falling on the camera. All right, we'll keep taking a look at it. Next hour. Temperatures come up a little bit. It's only -4 now. It says it feels like it's -15 outside now. Definitely snowing a lot harder. The winds come down a little bit, only east 4 miles an hour. After this snow comes through, I believe the wind really picks up tomorrow. Let's go see how it looks in the backyard. But I was thinking we should, take the drone and take the drone up in the snow. I don't think they recommend that, but I thought we should check it out and see what it looks like. Let's do that. Let's go take the drone up, see how it looks. Snow is coming down pretty good. So there we go in the snow. Won't take it too high. But that is the snowstorm. I really don't have the drone that high up. It's probably only 20 feet in the air. That's looking a little bit like west. That's probably looking north. Let's go a little bit higher, get over the top of the house. Now we're about probably 40 feet in the air. There you can see the drone up there. It's about 40 feet in the air. Snow is definitely coming down pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and land it. I don't have a glove on my hand and it's frozen. It's definitely coming down pretty good out here. We'll come back another hour and check it out again, see how it's looking. No blizzard yet because the wind hasn't kicked up, but eventually that's going to happen. So here we go, next hour. Conditions have actually improved a little bit. It's -3 outside right now. Feels like -15. The snow's kind of stopped for the time being. Let's go see how the backyard looks again. Snow is kind of slowed down for now. You can even see the flag over there. It's not really blowing right now. I looked at my phone. It says it's the wind is out of the north-northeast at 6 miles an hour. So the wind's kind of starting to shift around from the east to the northeast. Eventually it'll come out of the north to northwest, I expect. So yeah, not looking too bad right now. We will check on it again in a little bit. It's the next hour and the temperature has gone up a little bit. It's -2 now. But the feel-like temperature has gone down to -17 because the wind has picked up a little bit more. It's east-northeast, 8 miles an hour it says, although I don't really see much on the flag out there. So we'll check it out again in the next hour. All right, we're back outside again. Another hour's come by, and it started snowing again. Temperature's still about the same. I was going to take the drone up again while it's snowing and see how it looks. I was going to go up a little bit higher this time. Last time we were about only 40 feet. This time we're about 100 feet in the air. 120. And I'm going to just take a loop around while it's up in the air here. So the drone's directly above me. That's how it looks outside right now. The snow's falling down pretty good. Coming down at a pretty good rate. Yeah, so that's about 150 feet up in the air. Snowing pretty good. Wind is not too bad right now. Wouldn't be able to do this if it was really windy. You can see it's kind of shaking already. I'm going to bring it back down some. Now we're down to 100 feet. And it's still shaky. I don't know if it's just the signal or if it's actually that windy up there. I don't know. Let's bring it back down. 50 feet. It's right above the house. $40 feet now. 30 feet. And here it is right in front of me. See if I can. I put a little plastic bin out here. We'll see if I can land it on that. Not perfect, but there it is. All right, we'll check again in about another hour. Here we are the next hour. It's about the same temperature outside. Not really that much wind. The flag is still not really blowing in the wind. Still snowing. Snow's starting to collect on my bin I put out here. It's going to be getting dark here pretty soon, so we'll have to turn the light on when we come outside to check how things are doing. Another hour has passed. It's -1 degrees, feels like -13. Still not much breeze in the air, but it's really snowing right now. Believe it or not, it's going to get warmer as the night goes on, so it'll probably rise up to about 2 degrees by midnight is what the weather says. And then after that, blizzard winds are going to be coming in. So tomorrow I'll start a new video on the whole blizzard that I think that's going to start. So here we go. We are in a blizzard warning now, but I think it's really south of us. They talked about ground blizzards where the snow that freshly fallen we get whipped up by the wind, and the wind's about, they said, about 20 miles per hour. Kind of getting some gusts like that, but it's really not that bad. You can see there was a lot of drifting that happened during the night because this was all cleared off, but now there's snow on it all over it. So the blizzard warning started at about 6 a.m. this morning. It's now 11 a.m. and you can see it's just really not that bad out here. I think it's further south of us it gets pretty bad. You can kind of see some of the wind whipping up the snow here when it picks up, but definitely not the major blizzard I was expecting. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to like this video, give us some comments, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to share this out with your family and friends. And we will see you guys next time.